we need to order these fractions from smallest to largest. So we have 19 twelfths, 9 fifths, 16 tenths, and 9 sixths. So we have improper fractions. Now we could change these to mixed numbers, and that might make it easier for us. But the method that we've used will still work for improper fractions. So let's try using the same method. Remember, to compare fractions, it's much easier if the denominators are the same. So we need to find a common multiple of 12, 5, 10 and 6. Now 12 is in the 6 times table, but it's not in the 5 or 10 times tables. So we need to try something else. What I do here is count up in steps of the largest denominator until I've got something that is a multiple of all of the numbers that we're comparing. So 24 doesn't work because 24 is not in the 5 times table, 36 doesn't work, 48 doesn't work, but 60 is in the 5 times table, the 10 times table, and the 6 times table. So we can find equivalent fractions with a denominator of 60. 12 times 5 is 60, and 19 times 5 is 95. You might need to use column method there to work that out. Now 5 times 12 is 60, and 9 times 12 is 108. 10 times 6 is 60, and 16 times 6 is 96. Again, you might need the column method. 6 times 10 is 60, and 9 times 10 is 90. So now we've got our common denominator, so we can compare these fractions. The smallest is 90 over 60, so originally that was 9 over 6. Then we have 95 over 60, so that's 19 over 12. Then 96 over 60, which was 16 tenths, and our largest fraction is 108 over 60, which is 9 fifths. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.